Nike's Fall or Winter 2025 Air Max 90 Drift returns with rugged utility and nostalgic flair. A modern evolution of the classic silhouette, this version channels tactical design through ripstop nylon, rubber overlays, leather armor, and functional pull tabs at the tongue and heel. The gray, black and volt palette takes cues from the iconic Air Max 95, while neon green accents hit the visible air unit, heel plate, and upper branding. Mecha-inspired and street-ready, the shoe's reflective elements ensure visibility for night use. Originally launched in 2024, this comeback edition amplifies durability and design appeal for those navigating urban terrains. The Drift blends lifestyle aesthetics with performance-focused construction, offering both substance and edge. Nike continues its trend of transforming legacy models with futuristic, utilitarian enhancements while staying rooted in sneaker heritage.